Say no to helmet wig in 2024. Let's get this wig flattened together. Okay, the first thing I'm doing here is trying to make a middle part. Few inches away from the middle part, I'm going to make a side part, but I'm going to curve my hand like I'm trying to draw a C, like a letter C. Just trying to make the seaside part I've made more visible by using the comb. And that's it with the seaside part. I'm just going to try to flatten the wig because it's still giving helmet. I'm just going to use my hot comb to press against the swollen part of the wig. It's just like ironing, but you have to be very careful because it can burn your hair or your face or your forehead.
I wanna see you in the moonlight. We in the dark, you shine so bright.
I'm not just using the hot comb to comb through it, I'm also pressing it down. Okay, that might have qualified to be the end of this video, but I want to give this wig a salon effect. You know, when you do your hair in the salon, there's just the way it looks, so that's the look I want to achieve. I am not a professional, but I just feel like this is how they do it, so let's see if it's going to come out well. So I'm just combing the front of the wig high a bit. So I'm going to be using my hot comb to make it flat in the same direction as which I combed it in the first place. So I think I'm loving the second method because the second method just looks natural. Like if you look at the front hairline, it looks natural. I don't really know how to explain it though, but it's not just flat and the front is not all covered because I raised it up a bit. So that's the salon effect I was talking about. Which do you prefer? So I'm just applying my concealer on the lace to make it look more natural. It's optional, but I like it because yeah, it makes it look natural. So this is the end of this video. Was it helpful? Was it difficult? What do you think? Will you be trying this? Please let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe. Bye for now.